Abusia, I had the privilege to visit Hajia and Al-Haji. Abusia, this town is Kasi. Muamunim Western North, especially Bia Eastern. Who say Kasi was one of the booming town in the early 2000s. Now, Hajia went to a Hajj and Michimu Hajia and Al-Haji etimi called Mecca. Now, when they return, when you say you was celebration, be should do come Mecca, but you have to go and meet the person. Na chese enipa no moko celebrate them na moko na kwaba na chese insu bi omode beba na nhie bi ono bia no ukọ na ukọ Hajia kanshram sem e dey atobra boso. And that is what happened at Kase. Now I was there and I had a call from a Master Sule Abusian Sule fitting shop and Sule motor fitting shop. He told me that okay, there is a festival, it's more like a festival going on at Kase. Especially a Yemetra to Kasi, Nipano say there is one at Kasi and there is one at a Yemetra. So I young can take a coverage. I was a lot of crazy things happen at the festival. Let me put it that way. Let me say it's a festival because it's more like a festival. So we left the town that we are in the evening and I go by 7 and you free a Camp Junction. Now when we get there, we see mind busting. It was in the night. So I tie any man, you may be a corner to turn and pinam near to turn. Just say everything was fun. I haven't found myself in a situation like that before. So me visiting them at that night, Abuja, it was mind busting. Nobody even recognizes me. Say, okay, this is Sticky the Superstar. Camera Studios this year. Everyone was enjoying. So at that moment, Abuja, we enjoyed the night and then we went to bed in Ekwadai. Now early in the morning. That is where the crazy thing started. So we went to a Kasi. So we were at Kasi at that moment. And I Mokase there be Sabrene de Yanko Shia a Al-Haji. Because of Moko for Al-Haji Edina Fee Yemucha number the Nababusia. And the motor rider that picked me Abusia. Crazy. I was on a motorbike praying around himself. Jama you be of a bonnet chemi. See free moi. The motor Abraham Coco because the way the guy was riding the motor. It is crazy. And not only that, when you see the motorbikes, it's more like you are in Burkina Faso because when you get to Burkina Faso, motors are not the same cars, no? Because everyone is trying to purchase motors. They prefer motors to cars. And just say motors on the road. Now the guy who picked me, he was riding hygiene. Hygiene. This guy, he never lose guard. The way he was riding the motor, it feel like just say zone the business Just say we went to Yemotwa. We get there, everyone was there. Like we waited for Hajia and Hajia, and then they get into the car, and this was the convoy. Abusua, who is a single person who is in a locality. Abusua, na dabi. It was Sunday, and when you look at the road, you are blocking road, all the motors, the shows. So this man is Master Sule, the Sule that I went to the castle with. Abusua, I never knew we could do these crazy things until the show started. That is where I started to witness that people know how to ride motors, but they keep it in a calm way. When we come from, when we left Yemotwa and we get to Kasi, normally call Moscow hono, there was this package. And everyone is trying to show how experienced they are with the motors. And the guy I went there with, Abusua, I never knew he could ever do these crazy things. Not only him, a lot of people also did crazy things at that moment. And I enjoyed the show. You might not have the chance to experience this kind of experience that I had, because I felt like say I knew and I knew locality but that day was a special day to me, because when we went there, everything was free except say now I had the opportunity to visit Hajia and friend Zamzam. It's crazy. They say, according to their belief and the stories behind the Zamzam, they say there is this holy water Mecca. So ubinya privilege the person has to bring Zamzam. Now oba sanse to no so they will mix it with yankasa natural water wahabi to make it plenty. And when it's plenty, they share it among the people on a occasion and they believe that when you drink it, sometimes it heals physically. No say oh yaribu ni pedwenum koko sisi yare malaria chese osane yaribi e woni pedwenum biano. When you drink this Zamzam water, it can heal you, and it also heals you spiritually. So I had the opportunity to drink it and one MP healings. So I had the opportunity and I drank it. Like I drank the water and I drank me because TTR I'm quiet. That is me, Sticky the superstar. I always capture it and put it in my pocket. Now it is very simple. This festival, a lot of convoys of motors. Just say, I've never seen this thing before. No. Where? Tidy, so I was living in a locality. It was full of Muslims. If you come Zongo, number 9 there, if you come bus stop, when you get if you come bus stop, Awudu, Yakubu, Salifu, Ahmedu, Muhammad, they were all Muslims. I didn't see these things before because it was crazy. Like the experience, the fun, how the people related to the other people from other areas. And when you look at the motorbikes, hey, but Charlie, it was a successful show. If you haven't been to this kind of event before, try and experience it, because I feel like say dabi. I've never seen, like, it was mind busting to see say people put their lives on the line trying to welcome someone from Mecca and had this blessing. And Charlie, I was much grateful because I had the opportunity to greet Hajia hand to hand, and then they they told Hajia that this is Salif Muhammad's son. They explained my family to her, and she also understood. And I received my blessings. So if you want to see me and greet me, because I'm still holding the greetings. So it's that day, but the Messiah come in the jar. You can't wait that this spam because Mako receive it, and I'm trying to share it among you guys. So if you meet me in town, try and shake me, because that is what I'm doing currently. I'm trying to share. You see, sharing is caring. To be Mako GB, they have to share it with the people. So if you're a Karma Studios watcher or a subscriber, if you see me in town, greet me, shake my hands, because obviously you are going to also receive the blessing. And this is coming from a year Kasi and Yemocha, and I'm combining these kind of compilations. And you know how we do it. Karma Studios, any event that goes around, that comes around, we cover it and then we do a reaction to it. So why Karma Studios? If this is the first time, I'll urge you to subscribe to the platform and become part of this amazing channel. Now go by the name of Dicky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. And I'm finally out.